Hello, everybody. Come on in.
We're now in the main collection storage.
Anybody like to hold a cockroach?
See up front here are the little amulets.
Our internship program takes students that might not have had an interest in science, but were a little curious, and it's really a moment of spark for them.
Katie, you gotta come be part of this.
One of the coolest things was to see them come out of their shells in different ways and be creative in different ways that don't always happen in the classroom. And once I realized what the program was about, I said I'd be happy to coordinate the applications, encourage the students to apply, stay on them for the deadline and the paperwork.
We would start the internship really talking about what they expected from their employer because they're paid for the position, so we're going to treat you like a coworker.
For school, you just sit there and pretty much listen to whatever the teacher is talking about most of the time. Versus that, they actually trying to see what you're thinking and how you like it or not.
I was really surprised how much they enjoyed being part of that process, to really think about what it meant to have a say in your workplace.
It's not about the artifacts or how cool it looks. It's more about what you're learning. They have you talking, participating.
We wanted to make sure that no matter what they did, we were able to give them the skills they needed to move forward with school or with life.
There was two main components to the internship. I led the museum hack part, and colleague Cameron Wood led a sort of a museum exhibit part.
Now what you see up front here are the little amulets that we focused on.
I like seeing the artifacts, how they had like a history and how like this is a civilization back in the past, what type of wars they had, and how like their civilization was basically like a very strong empire.
This little Oni holding that.
My favorite part of the internship was the museum hack itself. One of the subjects that I had was pyrite.
Let's see if we can find that pyrite. What do you think? It's right over here. Show me, show me.
I talked as if I was pyrite, and it was very fun for me, and I was able to put my own creative twist on things.
My museum hack was about how to build an orrery.
So I think we might have a couple people who recognize this piece over here.
They didn't make you feel like it was just an assignment. They made it fun and interesting. It's not like regular school, you know?
Students from Pontiac, sometimes they're a little guarded in the beginning. And what I need to get them to do is to put that guard down.
They have short arms.
And it's really nice to see slowly those walls kind of come down a little bit.
There you go.
Then once they'd start to get the idea of it, they have tons of fun.
I want to grow up to be a graphic designer or a game designer.
Well, I want to become an aerospace engineer.
I'm thinking about art or being a cop.
I want to be a trauma surgeon.
We always gave a survey at the end to the students, and one student said, I never knew I could have so many adults caring about my success. That was pretty touching.
Wow. As you remember, these are made of fans, right? It's a clay-like substance kind of